Hey guys, it's me, Beauty Glamour here. So in today's video, I am going to be telling you guys what I feel should be in a beginner's makeup starter kit. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get straight into this video. The first things I did want to say are that definitely make sure you talk to your parents before buying like any makeup to see what they're comfortable wearing. Also, I'm mixing these, by like eye products, face products, lip products, just get easier on me. So yeah, now let's get straight into this video. So the first category is eyes. So definitely, like an eyeshadow palette, a few single eyeshadows, mascara and eyeliner. Like I said, if your parents aren't comfortable with you wearing eyeliner, that's cool. Just really make sure that you and your parents sit down and have a conversation about what they're comfortable with you wearing and also what you're comfortable and you want to wear too. Okay, now the second category is lips. And a few products would definitely be like a lipstick, lip gloss, lip tint, a chapstick, lip oil. Now if you're not quite sure what lip oil is, it's kind of like chapstick, but whereas chapstick only covers the top of your lips, oil actually really gets deep down into the lips and is really moisturizing for them. So that is what lip oil is. So yeah, now the third category is face products. A few face products I would recommend are foundation, concealer, highlighter, blush, not really contour, but of course make sure your parents are comfortable with you wearing foundation and concealer. I know when I started wearing makeup, I did not wear foundation, I did not wear concealer or highlighter. I actually just recently got into wearing highlighter and foundation and stuff like that. So yeah, that is it for this video. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Bye!